In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote in Confluence. Whether you're preparing detailed documentation or sharing insights with your team, knowing how to effectively insert quotes can really enhance clarity and collaboration. Let's get started by diving right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as this will ensure a smooth experience as we proceed through the steps. Next, in the browser's search bar, type Confluence and press Enter. You'll be directed to the Confluence homepage. From here, it's important to log in with your existing account credentials. If you're new to Confluence, don't worry, you can easily sign up for a free account to get started. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and verify your email address if necessary. Once you're logged into Confluence, you'll find yourself on the dashboard area. This is home to all your pages and spaces. Navigate to the specific Confluence page you'd like to edit. You could use the search functionality in the upper right corner or scroll through your list of pages to find it. When you've located the page and are ready to make changes, click on Edit at the top right to enter edit mode. This mode allows you to modify the content freely and make necessary adjustments. Now, while you're in the editable area of your chosen Confluence page, you'll want to add a quote. Simply type the / symbol, followed by the word quote. This action prompts a drop-down menu to appear with several formatting options. Select the quote element from this menu. This will automatically insert a block quote into your document, characterized by a vertical line along its left margin, helping it stand out clearly from the rest of your text. This feature is particularly useful for highlighting important statements or citing external sources effectively. Finally, make sure to review the quote you've inserted in the context of your document. Check for any needed adjustments or corrections. Once satisfied, remember to save your changes by clicking the Publish button. This ensures your edits are visible to anyone who has access to the page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert quotes in Confluence. This not only aids in the presentation of your content, but also engages your collaborators in a professional manner. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on efficiently using Confluence and other collaborative tools. Happy quoting!